Welcome back to our channel. How are you doing today? It's so good to have you here again. If you're new, my name is Gbadamosi Omolola, and on this channel, we're all about helping you take control of your finances while keeping it fun and exciting. To all my returning viewers, you already know the drill. This is the place to level up your life, one smart move at a time. Today, we're diving into a game-changing topic: link up, level up, grow financially through networking. Yes, you can literally build wealth by building connections. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll have practical strategies to turn every handshake into an opportunity to grow your bank account. And hey, stick around because I'll be sharing some of my personal networking hacks that you can start using today to get ahead. So grab your notebook or your favorite snack and let's get started. Oh, and don't forget to BOOP the like button, hit subscribe, and drop a comment if you have questions or suggestions. Let's get into it. Imagine having a mentor who gives you insider tips that save you years of trial and error. That's the power of networking. Networking isn't just about meeting people, it's about creating a web of opportunities. Think about this: 70% of jobs are found through connections, not applications. Networking helps you access exclusive opportunities, gain fresh perspectives, and learn industry secrets. Financial growth often requires insights and partnerships that you can't achieve alone. Successful entrepreneurs, for example, often credit their networks for providing mentorship, funding, and business collaborations. Even career professionals use networking to climb the ladder and secure higher-paying roles. A young entrepreneur met a seasoned investor at a local seminar. That connection led to funding and guidance that doubled her business revenue in a year. Can you imagine the impact? Attend one event this month. It could be virtual or in person, and introduce yourself to 3 people. Share your experience in the comments below. Were you nervous? Did you feel excited? Networking doesn't have to feel transactional. Focus on building relationships, not just asking for favors. Ask yourself, how can I add value to the person I'm meeting? Stay with me, because coming up, I'll show you how to find networking opportunities everywhere, even in unexpected places. Guess what? Networking isn't limited to stuffy conferences or formal meetings. It's everywhere if you know where to look. Here are some places to start. Local events: check out seminars, workshops, and meetups in your city. Websites like Eventbrite, Meetup, and even community bulletin boards are great resources. Social media platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram aren't just for scrolling. Use hashtags, groups, and DMs to connect with professionals in your industry. Professional associations, membership in organizations tailored to your career or business niche, gives you access to exclusive events and expert insights. Community groups, faith organizations, volunteering events, or even hobby groups can lead to surprising connections. Don't underestimate the power of casual interactions. One of our viewers found her dream job just by engaging in a professional Facebook group. She shared her expertise in a thread, and boom, someone offered her a job. Start by creating a LinkedIn profile or refreshing your current one. Add a professional photo, write a compelling summary, and connect with 3 people in your industry. For in-person events, come prepared with business cards or a digital QR code linking to your portfolio or LinkedIn. Confidence is key, so practice your introductions ahead of time. Next up, I'll show you how to craft an unforgettable elevator pitch that makes people excited to connect with you. First impressions count. When someone asks, "What do you do?" do you freeze or fumble? Let's fix that. An elevator pitch is a 30-second summary of who you are, what you do, and how you add value. Here's a simple formula. Introduce yourself. Start with your name and current role. Highlight your value. Share a unique skill or solution you offer. Call to action: what do you want from this interaction? Be specific. Hi, I'm Omolola. a finance content creator passionate about helping people take control of their money. My channel offers practical tips on saving, investing, and budgeting in fun, engaging ways. I'm always looking to collaborate with brands that align with my mission. How about you? Write your elevator pitch and practice it in front of a mirror. Bonus, share it in the comments, and I'll give you personalized feedback. Now here's an extra tip: confidence sells. Even if you're nervous, stand tall, make eye contact, and smile. Your body language can speak volumes and leave a lasting impression. Tailor your pitch to the audience. If you're at a tech conference, highlight how your skills or goals relate to technology. If you're networking in finance, focus on your money management expertise. And don't forget, it's okay to refine your pitch as you go. The more you practice, the better it gets. Don't click away yet, because up next, we're tackling the art of following up, a crucial step most people overlook. Networking doesn't stop after the first conversation. Following up is where the magic happens. Here's how to do it right. Send a thank you note. Within 24 to 48 hours, send a short message thanking them for their time. Be genuine and reference your discussion. Be specific, mention something from your conversation to show you were paying attention. Stay consistent, check in periodically with updates, resources, or questions to keep the relationship alive. After meeting a potential collaborator, I sent them an article about a topic we discussed. That small gesture led to a partnership that grew my channel. Here's a bonus hack: add value in your follow-up. Share a helpful article, recommend a useful tool, or even suggest a book related to their interests. It shows you're invested in the connection, not just what they can do for you. Follow up with one person you've met recently. Let us know in the comments what happens next. Pro tip: use tools like LinkedIn or a simple spreadsheet to keep track of your connections, notes from your conversations, and reminders to follow up. It's a game changer for staying organized. Still with me? Let's wrap this up with tips to keep your networking authentic and stress-free. People connect with real, genuine personalities, not sales pitches. Let's make sure your networking game is authentic. Be yourself. Share your passions and goals honestly. Fake enthusiasm can be a turn-off. Listen more, ask open-ended questions, and listen actively. People appreciate being heard. Add value, offer help before asking for favors. This builds trust and loyalty. Set boundaries, know when to say no to opportunities that don't align with your goals. A graphic designer I know helped a startup founder with free advice. 2 months later, they hired her for a huge project. Genuine generosity pays off. Practice active listening by asking 3 open-ended questions in your next networking conversation. Example: what inspired you to get into this field? Keep a journal of your networking interactions. Reflect on what worked, what didn't, and how you can improve. That's a wrap on today's topic: link up, level up, grow financially through networking. I hope you found tons of value in this video. Remember, networking isn't just about growing your finances, it's about building meaningful relationships that can last a lifetime. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, BOOP the like button, and leave a comment with your questions or suggestions for future topics. If you try any of the steps we discussed today, let us know how it goes. We're here to support you every step of the way. And hey, if you're feeling inspired, share this video with a friend who could use these tips too. Until next time, keep leveling up. See you in the next video.